Let's compare the Swiffer Sweeper XL, which you can see here, against the oCedar Broom. So these are both really great devices for cleaning up your floors. The Swiffer Sweeper XL uses either a dry or a wet cleaning pad. I don't have a pad on it now, but you can put one on there and then you can clean under surfaces, and it picks up and locks in dust. So great to get kind of under things and get that really small dust off your floor. The oCedar broom, on the other hand, is a traditional broom, so we can use it to basically push dust and debris on the floor into a pile, and then this little dustpan actually pops off the back, and you can sweep the dust into the dustpan, and then dump it in the trash. And the biggest difference I find between the two, or what I use them for, the Swiffer Sweeper XL, I think, is great for, again, that kind of very small surface level dust that accumulates in your house over time. It can be kind of hard to pick up even with the traditional broom. The oCedar broom, though, on the other hand, is better for bigger things, like if you spill some cereal or you tread some sand or dirt into the house. Those bigger pieces, it's going to saturate the pad on the Swiffer XL pretty quickly. The oCedar broom, though, perfect for picking those things up and then put them in the dustpan and throw that away. The other nice thing with the oCedar is you don't have to replace the pads, versus on the Swiffer XL, you will have to replace those pads. However, it's nice to not have to do that extra step with the XL of sweeping into a dustpan. Both of these are great solutions. I use both of them in my house. I just use each one for their own unique purpose.